It's Thredup Thursday. Welcome you guys. Today for Thredup Thursday, we are going to be opening a Thredup fun box, which is arguably one of my favorite boxes. But you guys, today's fun box is in a small box. Okay, so when this first arrived, I thought, oh, a mixed jewelry box. And I'm like, wait a minute, they're not coming in boxes anymore. Those are coming in poly bags. So I was like, what is this? So I checked the tracking and it's a fun box. So we're hoping it's a good one. I don't know that I've ever gotten a fun box in one of these smaller boxes before. I've seen some of my YouTube friends get them like that. So I'm hoping this one's awesome. It's still from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, as they all are. So, sometimes you guys, the best things come in small packages. So we're going to open this and hope that it's awesome. If you happen to be new here, my name is Christina. I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube and a bunch of different platforms, you guys. I love reselling. I love opening mystery boxes on this channel. And of course, the fun box is one of my favorites. So we're going to get into this. I do always like to point out what I'm wearing. Today, I'm wearing a Bars necklace. This is actually a 3-strand necklace. It's got some turquoise on it and a bunch of other beautiful natural stones. I have it paired with some turquoise earrings. And that's pretty much it today, you guys. I'm just kind of a little basic. I mean, nothing about bars or turquoise is basic, but that is what I have on today. So without further ado, you guys, let's get into this box. I am still going to do first peeks with this one. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything right off the top or if there's going to be tissue. Hopefully a receipt. Not sure. But we'll see. We're going to get into this one together. I do sell from my YouTube videos. So if you do see anything in this little box that you want to purchase, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I do all my invoicing through PayPal and I can ship to you directly. All right, I got the tape cut. Let's open it. So not much to see right off the top, but I hear like some jingle bells or something. So let's see. Okay, it looks like we've got a winter hat, maybe some sort of bucket hat. There's something silky back here. Might as well take the air pocket off. Looks like maybe some sort of skincare or something like that, and some jewelry. So I'm gonna take a couple thumbnails and I will be right back. Okay, so let's get into this little box and see what we got. Now, if you're not familiar with the fun boxes, which you should be if you watch my channel because I open them every other week, you get 10 miscellaneous items for $34 plus shipping and plus tax. So for me, it comes all in just under $50. So there should be at least 10 items in here. We'll see. Okay, so first up, we have a baggie. And it looks like there's 2 hats in here. Usually when they send stuff in a baggie, they count this as one, even though there's more than one item in here. Okay. So, oh my gosh, I know Indie Clover. I'm not sure if there are Indie Clovers like all over. You can see my dog walking around. But I have been to an Indie Clover in Dallas. It's such a cool store. I bought a couple of, they have different like booths. So it's kind of like an antique mall, but they're like little different thrift closets. What did I buy? I bought jewelry, obviously. And I forgot they were designer. I forgot what brand they were. Anyways, I bought 2 pairs of designer earrings at the Indie Clover in Dallas. So this is from an Indie Clover. I think it's so cool. If I had one near me, I actually would probably rent a space. This is, okay, I don't see a brand on this, but it does have an RN number, so we will look that up. It is 100% acrylic and faux fur, and the RN number is 122351. So I will look up the brand for this, but it's really pretty cable knit all the way around here. You have the little poof, and then you have the bottom here. Whoever bought this paid $5. So let's just keep it the same and say $5. That looks like it's in excellent condition. The other one that was in there is this little cow print bucket hat, which looks like it is reversible. Okay, so a reversible bucket hat, black on one side, like a cow print on the other. I will probably Google lens this just in case it ends up being a brand. There's no tag on it, probably because it's reversible. So price on the screen for the cow print bucket hat. That's so cute. Okay. So I'll give you another little peek. We have something silky here. It looks like a watch, a jewelry, and then maybe, I'm not sure if it's skincare. I haven't really looked yet. So let's grab this. I see a little strawberry. Oh, this is what had the Jingle Bell on it. Looks like a red houndstooth. Oh, this is so cute. We've got a little heart-shaped carabiner. Oh, I love that. Okay, we have the little houndstooth strap, so you can put it around your hand if you carry it on your wrist. Okay, you have another little heart, and then you have this little strawberry. I don't see any branding on the carabiner. It is really nice though. So, I don't know. Let's say $3. $3 for the little bag charm or key holder or whatever. All right, let's do this next. Okay, it's not skincare. This is a 4-in-1 makeup brush by Alley Oop. Yay. Okay. Let's see. You can use it as an all-over powder brush, a blending brush, an eye and lip precision brush, and a foundation brush. How cool is that? Oh, I see. Look, you can like twist the different like parts to get to the brush that you need. That's really cool. New in box. I'm not sure how much these go for, so I'll have a price on the screen for this one. That's really cool. And if no one buys that, I'll probably just hold on to it. Right now I'm using Alice in Wonderland makeup brushes. It's about time to replace those, so I may need that. All right, next up, we've got a watch. Reselling, I think is what it says. Let's take it out of the bag. Let's see. It does say this is a genuine leather strap. It is by the brand Reselling, Raynell. It is also marked on the strap. Okay, this is in excellent condition. You do have the little like stopper there, so this may work. Still got the stickers on the back. This is in excellent condition. This would be a great like giftable item. So let's see if it ticks. No, it's not ticking. So I will put this back on here, but it definitely needs a new battery. So I will look up Reselling. I'm not familiar. And I have a price on the screen for this one. It's really nice. Okay. All right, let's go for this silky number. All right, this is by the brand Fashion Nova. All right. Oh, we have a little like lingerie set. Oh, this is cute. A little sleeper set. I love it. In a really pretty pink. Has a stretchy and elastic waist. Lace at the bottom. This is in a size large. And then the top has little spaghetti straps like this. It looks like it's maybe a little bit of a crop and lace on the bottom. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so new with tags, size large. I always love the name of the Fashion Nova like clothes. They always give them really cute names. This one is called Want to Be Next to You set. Love that. Okay. That's awesome. Oh, I didn't give a price for this. Let's say $8. $8 for the Fashion Nova PJs. Oh my gosh, you guys. So my first impressions of this box already is that we definitely got 10 items and I feel like we're on a good roll. Okay. No total standouts right now, but I already see a Lele Sadoughi in the bottom of this box. So, definitely that will pay for this box. So that's awesome. Okay. I don't want to spoil it, but I have to tell you because I saw it. All right. Next, we have a really cool neon belt. This is like a PVC. Let's check it out. It's got a little plastic buckle. I don't see any branding. So who knows? I will measure this and we will just do it for $5. It's pretty cool. It's in good condition. Very cool. I don't know. I mean, how fun is that? Love that. Okay. No braiding on this though, but I will have measurements on the screen for that one. So belts, great condition, $5. Okay. Next, you guys, we got some earrings. These look nice. Let's see. They look to be like a gold tone huggy hoop. All right. And they have a faceted dangle on them that is hanging from this paved little hoop. These are adorable. So you could wear these. You could take this part off. Okay. And you could wear it as a huggy hoop, or you could put this part back on. Oh, they are marked. So I don't know what this says, you guys. It looks like it could say like RH, RI, HI, HH. I don't know. It is marked right in here by the post. And so I will do some additional research on these and see if I can figure out the brand. And then I will have some pricing on the screen. Oh, wait a minute. It's also marked on the back of this dangle. That's a good sign. Lots of markings are a good sign. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it says AH or RH or something like that, and it's in a little box. So I don't know. I'm still going to have to look it up. I'm not familiar with that. So I will try to figure these out. They are in excellent condition. Look how beautiful those are. So I will have a price on the screen for these. Yay. All right, next up, sunglasses. I love getting sunglasses in these boxes. Ooh. These are like a velvet. How cool is that? They look like they're in really good condition. This part of the sunglass is velvet, and then this part is like a matte. They say made in Italy. So these say Italia Independent right here. I'm not familiar with that. Made in Italy. We have to try them on, of course. These are really cool. I love the velvet on them. Oh, I kind of like these. This is really nice. So the little part that touches your nose is not velvet, by the way. Just this part, and then this part's like a matte. These are great. Oh, I love these. Okay, I will look these up and I will have a price on the screen for these. Awesome. Okay, then we have a pair of socks. And guys, it's the Grateful Dead. Didn't like the lead singer of the Grateful Dead like pass away? I feel like I just saw that in the news. Maybe, not sure. Let's see, mix and match. These are a fits shoe size 5 to 10. These are by the brand Bio World, Grateful Dead. And then the sock size is 9 to 11. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. So let's say, I don't know, $10. $10 for the Grateful Dead socks. I bet those will sell well. Next up, we've got, it looks like an Alex and Ani. So you guys, I think this box is great. I'm very happy with it. And of course, we've got a banger for our last item. So that's amazing. Okay, we have an Alex and Ani. And it's got a really cute dangle on it. And it says, when in doubt, go to the library. I feel like a librarian needs this. That's so cute. Let's see if I can get it to stop dangling. When in doubt, go to the library. I love that. This is really adorable. It does need a little bit of a good polishing. It just looks like it's a little tarnished. I love that. When in doubt, go to the library. So funny story. In college, my mom would like try to call my brother and he wouldn't answer. And then when he would talk to her, she said, well, where were you? And he said, well, I was at the library. Turns out there's actually like a local bar in town called the Library. So he wasn't lying. Okay. Thought it was hilarious. All right, next up, last item. We've got those seashells. So I know we've got a Lele Sadoughi. You guys, I love selling Lele Sadoughi. This one is adorable. It's got this really pretty, like peachy pinky. This is silky material, almost with like an animal print, like a blurred out animal print. There's your Lele Sadoughi right there. And then you have the little like seashells. I already have a headband in. It's really cute. I love the Lele headbands. I own 2. but they're just a little too thick for my hair. This one has a gorgeous top knot, and we'll say $35. $35 for the Lele Sadoughi. So let's count our items, you guys. I'm very happy with this box. Okay, so we have the Lele. That's for one. We got the Italian sunglasses that I have to look up. That's for two. We got the Alex and Ani for three. I love that we got a lot of jewelry. We got the Grateful Dead socks for four. We got a belt for five. We got the New With Tags PJs for six. We got the little bag charm for seven. We got two hats, count as one for eight. We got the brush set for nine. We got the watch for 10. And then we got these branded earrings that I've got to look up for 11. So we actually got 11 items. Well, technically we got 12. And it was in a little box, you guys. I think this was great. So I'm really happy with this. I can't wait to look up these earrings, actually. And I don't know. Let me know what you guys thought of the box. Let me know if you've gotten a fun box that's been small before and how it compared. I hope everybody has an amazing weekend. And I will be back on Tuesday. I think I'm opening a Thredup mix box and one of these really amazing jewelry jars behind me. I believe that's what's next in my rotation. So I will get that video filmed and up for you guys for next week. And until then, bye y'all.